How to generate a wedding album by using a Nano banana. Let's see. Here, first I attached two images. This is the first one with a male character and the second image with a female character. See, these are two images generated by Nano banana only. These are AI generated images. By attaching these two images to Nano banana, giving a prompt like generate a marriage picture for attached people. So Nano banana generated an image something like this. So by attaching two images, a male and female, which created by AI, and asking to generate a marriage picture for attached images. Nano banana generated a wedding picture for this couple. By using this picture, I will generate a wedding album. So first I used a prompt something like this. Here it is the prompt, but here I did not attach a reference image. Just I used a prompt without giving reference image. So Nano banana generated an image something like this. By given prompt, it's generated an image, but here it is character consistency missed. Because here we did not attach a reference image. Without giving a reference image, AI model generates according to the prompts. After this, I used a same prompt with reference image. Here it is the reference image and given the same prompt. Now Nano banana generated this image with same character consistency. Here in the prompt, I mentioned do not change their face and body. Generate a pre-wedding style photo and then with features. So with the reference image and a prompt, we can generate wedding album with the same character consistency. By following the same thing, I generated few images for same couple. So this is the second image generated by Nano banana with attached image reference. And then the third one is something like this with the same character consistency. Just I am giving new prompts. And the fourth one is this one. Same character consistency with different location, different features. Let me generate a sample picture in front of you. Just copy this image as a reference, copy image and paste here and give a new prompt to generate a new image. Here I am giving a prompt something like this. Taj Mahal sunset, eternal love. Do not change their face and body. Generate a hyper-realistic pre-wedding shot in front of the Taj Mahal at sunset. So here, this is the prompt I am using to generate a new picture with same reference image for same couple. Just enter. Now Nano banana generating a new picture for same couple. By using a reference images, by attaching images, we can generate same character consistency photos with a Nano banana. Here, this is the picture in front of Taj Mahal with the same character consistency. Simply, we can generate a wedding album for a new couple by using Nano banana within minutes.